What is the new rule for tankless water heaters? Homeowners in Schertz, Texas are starting to hear about a 2029 federal energy update and wondering how it could affect future installations. Beginning in 2029, the Department of Energy will require higher efficiency standards for certain residential gas tankless water heaters. Many non-condensing models will no longer meet federal requirements. As a result, most available gas tankless systems will be condensing units, which are more energy efficient but require different venting and a condensate drain line. For homeowners in Schertz, Texas, this could mean additional installation considerations if your home is not already set up for a condensing system. Existing units are not banned, but future replacements may involve updated venting and drainage requirements. If you're planning a tankless water heater installation, call ANA Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling in Schertz, Texas to review your options.